Are you ready?
Willow's capacity for real-time error correction is pivotal for effective quantum computation, helping systems maintain coherence during intricate calculations. This milestone represents a crucial advancement towards scalable quantum technology. The performance of Willow is remarkable, executing tasks at speeds that far surpass classical supercomputers. This gap in performance underscores the potential of quantum technology, making a strong case for its advantages over classical systems. The ramifications of Willow's capabilities reach various sectors, including medicine and energy, where quantum computing could tackle issues such as drug design and enhancing battery efficiency. These advancements hold the promise of transformative changes within these industries. The convergence of quantum technology and artificial intelligence is anticipated to amplify efficiencies in AI model training and algorithm optimization, potentially leading to significant breakthroughs across a multitude of fields. Following the announcement of Willow's successes, Alphabet stock experienced a notable boost, reflecting the competitive dynamics among major players such as Microsoft and Quantum in the realm of quantum technology. Google's strategic roadmap includes inviting researchers to engage with open-source tools and educational resources, fostering collaborative efforts to expedite the development of quantum computing algorithms. The potential of Clone Alpha in the workplace lies in its capacity to work alongside humans, enhancing efficiency without necessitating significant changes to existing workflows. This adaptability proves essential in industries like manufacturing. Clone Alpha's technological advancements signify a major leap in robotics, integrating biological principles with engineering. This evolution highlights the increasing importance of human-like functionality in future robotic designs. The success of Clone Alpha could redefine societal perceptions of humanoid robots, paving the way for broader acceptance and integration across various sectors. As production commences, its effectiveness will be under close observation. OpenAI's partnership with Apple is poised to substantially enhance user experiences by embedding AI capabilities throughout multiple platforms. The objective is to simplify workflows and foster user growth. Google's introduction of the V2 model prioritizes realistic video generation, emphasizing critical details that resonate with professional filmmakers. This includes a deep understanding of human movement and cinematography, elevating overall output quality. Innovations like Whisk streamline image generation by enabling users to create visuals from existing images rather than relying solely on text prompts. This advancement aims to democratize creative brainstorming. Prominent figures in the film industry are increasingly adopting AI technology, marking a notable shift towards the acceptance of these tools. This trend signifies a broader movement towards integrating AI within creative workflows. The launch of advanced AI tools like VO2 and Imagen 3 is transforming the creative process. These innovations empower creators to generate high-quality content tailored for platforms like YouTube Shorts. Ongoing advancements in AI-generated visuals are pushing the boundaries of realism and control. This rapid progression enables creators to realize their visions more effectively than ever before. Pudu Robotics is progressing in three primary categories of robots: specialized machines, semi-humanoid models, and fully humanoid robots, each designed for distinct roles across multiple industries. This strategic diversification fortifies their market position. Meta's Llama 3.3 model illustrates a significant leap in AI capabilities, efficiently utilizing 70 billion parameters while achieving near top-tier performance. This efficiency translates into cost reductions and lowered GPU requirements for developers. The open-source framework of Llama 3.3 encourages widespread adoption and innovation among developers, with over 650 million downloads noted. This positions Meta as a formidable player in the AI infrastructure landscape. Llama 3.3 demonstrates exceptional performance in multilingual reasoning and coding tasks, effectively integrating with tools such as LangChain and AWS. Its versatility makes it a strong candidate for diverse applications. Both models prioritize safety and responsible AI practices, equipping users with tools to mitigate risks and harmful outputs. These guidelines are essential for ensuring ethical deployment in varied applications. Microsoft's 54 model emphasizes data quality over sheer size, employing synthetic data to address structured challenges. This strategy enables the model to excel in complex reasoning and mathematical tasks. Data contamination poses a significant challenge in AI development, and Microsoft has refined its decontamination processes, enhancing model credibility and preventing prior exposure to test benchmarks. With an extended context length from 4,000 to 16,000 tokens, the 54 model can efficiently handle complex multi-step tasks, making it particularly suited for fields requiring detailed analysis, such as law and technical writing. The integration of supervised fine-tuning datasets in Microsoft's development is designed to reduce hallucinations and align model outputs more closely with human preferences, promoting responsible AI functionality. Microsoft is collaborating with third-party testers and publishers to refine Copilot vision, ensuring adherence to copyright standards while enhancing user trust. A gradual rollout strategy aims to mitigate user overwhelm. Copilot Vision seamlessly integrates into Microsoft Edge, empowering users to interact with AI for summaries and recommendations without leaving the web page. This human-centric design fosters a more intuitive browsing experience. Microsoft's cautious approach contrasts with OpenAI's rapid deployment strategy, underscoring the critical importance of safety measures in AI technology. This shift reflects the evolving landscape of AI ethics. Genesis has achieved notable milestones, such as simulating environments 10 to 80 times faster than existing platforms, significantly enhancing research and development capabilities. This accelerated speed supports rapid prototyping of robotic solutions. The community-driven development model of Genesis promotes contributions from researchers and developers alike, fostering a transparent ecosystem that continues to evolve. This collaboration enhances the platform's features and accessibility. By reducing entry barriers, Genesis empowers anyone passionate about robotics to transform their ideas into reality. This accessibility is setting the stage for a new wave of innovation in the field. Gemini 2.0's capabilities extend beyond gaming, aspiring to influence industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics through improved spatial reasoning. This comprehensive approach has the potential to revolutionize these sectors. Central to Gemini 2.0's development are stringent safety measures, including user confirmations for sensitive tasks and privacy controls governing user interactions. This commitment safeguards users and ensures the ethical deployment of AI. In a competitive environment featuring models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Microsoft's Copilot, Gemini 2.0 stands out with its multimodal capabilities and smooth integration within Google's ecosystem. However, brand awareness remains a challenge.